Cashew nut processing. Processing. Drying raw cashew nuts are sun-dried in an open yard for 2 to 3 days. This process removes excess moisture from the nut. Roasting. Steam is passed over the cashew in roasting drum for about 20 minutes. It helps in the removal of outer shell with minimal effort. Shelling. Shelling machines separate cashew shell and unbalanced cashew kernels. The outer shell of raw cashew nuts is very hard to crack. The shell contains a liquid called CNSL, which can be very dangerous if not properly handled. Hot chamber. Unbalanced cashew kernels are then roasted in specially designed ovens maintained at 70 degrees Celsius to make the skin brittle and easy to peel. Peeling. Test. Skin adhered to cashew kernels is removed manually or by subjecting them to compressed air and brushing. Grading and packaging. Cashew kernels are graded according to their size and color. Cashew kernels are first passed through infrared radiation and X-rays machine, then through cleaning line, and then packed. Packaging of cashew nuts. The cashews are packed airtight under vacuum packing machines. The machines extract the air and flush the packs with nitrogen and carbon dioxide to protect the cashews and increase their shelf life. The cashews are then packed into cartons and shipped to their respective destinations in containers. Like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching Smarter Every Day.